Rozzie. Welcome to Code Fun. It's good to see you. Come on, let's sing. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pēhea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Digi? Digi! Have you seen Digi? Oh, you can't miss Digi. About my height, bright yellow, big smile. No? Well, call out if you see Digi, okay? Thanks. Digi! What was that clippity-clop sound? Really? Was it Digi? Oh, rats, I missed it. Digi!
Woohoo!
There you are.
Kia ora!
Well, now that we're all here, let's get this party started. Hoa ke tātou. Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, Digi, think quick.
Yeah, I don't know how to bounce a ball, Rozzie.
Ah, that's right. I haven't coded you to do that yet. Do you want me to show you now, Digi?
Aotearoa. Aye, that'd be awesome.
Digi is a robot, and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things. Will you help me show Digi how to bounce a ball? Great! If you want to see a robot bounce, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to bounce a ball until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Come on! Find a clear space with lots of room. Make sure you're not going to bump into anything. Okay, here we go. First of all, use your right hand. Remember, that's this one. And drop the ball. Now let the ball bounce back up to waist height and bring it up with your fingers and push it down and bring it up and push it down and bring it up. Keep bouncing. Hey, bounce it up to me. And back. Wow, you're so good at following instructions. Let's show Digi. Okay, Digi. You're a little bit stiff. You need to loosen up a bit. Let your arms go loose.
Loose arms. Got it. Ta-da!
Okay, the legs are great, but you're gonna need your arms for this one, Digi. Can you put those back on?
No problem.
Nice one. I keep forgetting. Robots aren't like humans. They need really clear instructions. Let's try that again. Okay, Digi, me ngana anō. Now, just bend your arm a little bit. Now using your right hand, drop the ball. And let it bounce back up to your waist and bring it up with your fingers. And push it back down to the ground. And bring it up and down, up and down, up and down. That's it, Digi, you've got it. Are you joining in too?
Hey, little here, Mayo. I think I've got the hang of this whole bouncing a ball thing.
Whoa! Check it out! Digi's got a ball! Go, Digi! Hey! I'm playing basketball. She shoots. She scores! Woohoo! I love playing sports. What kind of sports do you like to play? Hey, I know a really cool sports game we could play. For this game, I'll be the programmer, you can be the robot, and I'll code you and show you what to do. Jump up and join in. Or just stay sitting if you like and use your arms. Come on, find a clear space to play. Okay, first I need some circles. Cool. Okay, here are the instructions. Try it with me. If you see he porofita a red circle, then you need to pretend to play basketball. And if you see he porofita karaka, an orange circle, then you need to pretend to be a marathon runner. And go for a run. Have you got it? Great! Me takaro tato. Let's play. Remember, keep watching to see which coloured circles pop up. Oh, red! That's basketball. Are you bouncing your ball? Here. Catch. Oh, orange. Which one was that again? Oh, run. Come on, let's go for a run together. Are you moving your robot arms and robot legs? Great. Huh? How did that happen? Oh, both at once. Okay, bouncing my ball and running. Here we go. Whoa, this is tricky. Are you bouncing your ball and running at the same time? Oh, phew. Ka mau te wehi. Great job. You followed the instructions and played the game. Hey, you can bounce a ball at home today or run on the spot. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. It was great hanging out with you. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi. Oh, Digi's come to say goodbye too.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to join in.
Come on. Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. See you again next time.
Ka kite.